Once again, we're at the Jamil Temple train show. I really didn't plan to come, but I wanted to come see my friend Jay. So I figure I'll look at a few things and take it from there. I already see him. And there he is, right there. My friend Butch over here. It's been a while since I've been to the train show. I really haven't been coming to them. But it's good to see a few friends and come through. See the guys from the old train club I used to go to.
Hi, I am Joyce Robinson, and I'm in Columbia, South Carolina, but I'm from Harrisburg, Pennsylvania, and I am Harrisburg's first Black female locomotive engineer. I have a new book out called If Trains Could Talk, What Would They Say? And all the books are on Amazon, and I'm so happy to be able to do this.
Okay, people. And what year was this when you started, when you passed the test?
Well, I started on the railroad in 1977. I was started as a brakeman in 1994, and I became Harrisburg's first female train engineer in 1997.
Well, people, all my viewers, y'all check out her book. Not just check it out, buy it. And thank you.
Thank you so much, and thank you for talking to me.
No problem. And here we have MTH's New York Central Sharp Nose AB diesel set. Came out in 2001, 2002, if I'm not mistaken. But it's still a lovely locomotive. This is a Proto 2. Well, I know you've seen this locomotive a million times on different YouTube channels, but it's new to me, and I like it. So without further ado, let's start this beautiful locomotive up.
Clear. Got a clear block on track 6. Clear and slow.
thank you for spending time with me. Once again, it's your boy Boings. Back at it again. Peace.